Hi guys, this is Yvon Dongo, Senior Consultant at CM Asset Consulting. We are specialized in Microsoft technologies, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, Dynamics 365, and more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use custom JavaScript to conditionally display fields. Okay, so the scenario is simple. If the event type is equal to Zoom, I should have Zoom registrants, Zoom participants, Zoom registrant participants tabs displayed only if the event type is Zoom. If it is something else, I should hide these three tabs. We will use custom JavaScript to achieve that. Okay, so if you are working on a real project, it's always good to write your custom JavaScript from a solution. Okay, that is something important. When you do it, the name of your functions or your custom code will carry the publisher, and this is a good way of work. So let us go on advanced settings. Then solutions, this is my solution. So before to move forward, we will need some information to use in our custom JavaScript code. Okay, the name of this event type, the real name. Okay, the name or the numeric value of the Zoom type. Okay, Zoom option set. And also the name of these three tabs. Okay, we should have it. So let us go from here, entity, I look for event, it is event, I click on forms, then I take this form because that is the form on which I will insert my custom JavaScript code. Okay, so I need to get the event type name. So I double click here and I go on details. This is the first information I will need. And also I need to get the numeric value of Zoom. Click on edit from here, then option set, I click on edit, Zoom. Okay, this is the second information I need. Fine, I can close this and also this. Let's cancel this. Now I need the name of tabs. Zoom registrant. I click here. Tab 9. Okay. Zoom participants. No. Rather click here. Tab 10. And Zoom registrant participant. Tab 11. Okay. So I have all I need. Okay. This is all the values I need. So now this is the function, which is quite simple. So I declare a function and this is the body of my function. I have to declare this first variable, event type. Okay, I pass the name of the event type. Okay, I pass it to the get attribute function, get value. Okay, I declare a second variable, show tab equal false, a boolean having false as the default value. Then this is my if condition. Okay, if event type is equal to the numeric value of Zoom, Then I change the value of show tab from false to true, and I pass, okay, I pass to the name of the tabs, different tabs. Okay, I want to show or hide or display conditionally with set visible show type. So if we enter here, then show type will turn from false to true, and the tabs will be displayed. So this is the simple function to do that. Let me copy. We now have to add our code. We should go on form property. Then I scroll up. I need to add it here. Okay, I click on new. I give a name. Show height. Show height. Zoom tabs. Okay. The type is a script. I click on text editor. I enter my code here. I click on OK to save the function. Then it is fine, so I can click on save and then publish. Wait. Okay, save and then publish. Okay. Now I'm waiting for the customizations to be published all. Now I can close this. Okay. Now, okay, I click on add. Okay, you see show hide zoom tabs. I scroll down. I click on add also here. I need to add it as even handler. Now I need to pass the name of my function. I put it here. Okay, and it is under this library. I click on OK. OK again. Now the last step, we will need to go form property. Let me see. Okay, I have added it here. Now we need to go on the even type. Let me double click here and add our logic from here. Event. Okay, I click on add. I pass the name of my function. This is the library. I click OK. I click OK. I click save and then publish to finish. So it is saving. It is saving. Wait. Okay. So once the save is complete, I will be able to click on publish. So let us wait. Saving, just a minute. Oof, taking time. Just wait. Now I can publish. This is the last step, publishing customization, and then we will be able to appreciate the results. Loading. This is loading. Let us be patient. Just a little bit. Taking its time. Oh, what is that? Cannot start request operation. Another import is running. Use solution history. What is going on? Let us click on publish again. It's a little bit weird. So I have the same error, but let us see if our things is not working. It should work if the function has been added. Don't know why this error is displayed, but let us refresh and see. Okay, event type. Okay, so it's not working certainly, of course, because the let us save, and then let us click on publish again. If it displays the same error, we'll try to see the lock. Okay, I think now it's fine. Maybe it was a network issue or no. So now let us check again. A deep refresh. Normally this time it should be okay. Let us see. You see, it works well. If it is zoom, okay, I have these 3 tabs. If it is something else, these 3 tabs are hidden. So it is working well, and this is simply how you can add custom JavaScript code on to conditionally display tabs. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time for another video. Thanks.